In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a deposit in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're cleaning up old entries or simply correcting an error, knowing how to manage your transactions efficiently can save both time and frustration. So, let's dive into the process so you can navigate it with confidence. First, start by logging into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're in, take a look at the left-hand side of your dashboard. You'll notice a navigation panel. Here, you'll want to find and click on the Transactions tab. This section serves as your go-to area for managing all your financial entries, so it's crucial to get familiar with its layout and functions. After you've selected Transactions, your next destination is the Bank Transactions tab. This feature lists all the deposits and expenses linked to your bank accounts within QuickBooks. Browse through this list to locate the deposit that you wish to delete. The timeline could be from recent transactions or older entries, depending on what you've set your filters to show. Finding the right one might take a bit of scrolling, but staying patient is key. When you spot the deposit in question, go ahead and click on that particular entry. Doing so will bring up additional options related to the transaction. One of the options you'll see is to match. Clicking on it will unveil its matched transactions along with a hyperlink to dive deeper into these matches. This hyperlink is important as it directs you to the detailed view of the deposit. Understanding this level of detail enables you to make more informed decisions regarding changes or deletions. Click on the hyperlink to access the complete details of that particular matched deposit. This will open a new window where you can review all the specifics. Sometimes, looking over these details can clear up any confusion about why the transaction is being deleted. Now, once you're in the detail view, navigate to the bottom of the page. Here lies the More button, a gateway to additional actions you can perform on the deposit in question. Click on this button, and you'll be presented with the choice to delete the transaction. After selecting Delete, a confirmation prompt will appear. This is QuickBooks' way of making sure no accidental deletions happen. Take a moment to review the confirmation message to confirm that this is the action you want to complete. Once you're certain, click Delete Transaction, and just like that, you have successfully removed the deposit from your records. And that's all there is to it. With these steps, you can confidently manage and maintain accurate transaction records in QuickBooks Online. Thank you for watching, and I hope this walkthrough was helpful in simplifying your bookkeeping tasks.